Afternoon, everybody. And this session, everybody, welcome to this session on CTQ signals and system. So, as I told you last week, this session is going to be about Fourier series. So, today I am going to show you problems that are based on Fourier series. Okay. Now, before starting the session, let me introduce you myself. Those of you who don't know me yet. So, my friends, my name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 in GATE 2014 and 2018. And my friend, I was awarded the President of India Gold Medal by the President himself in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Presently, I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department. And since I got AIR1 in electrical engineering, I can teach you, I can tell you about all the subjects that are there in electrical curriculum. So now, my friend, if you want to join the new batch that we have started on an academy from today itself, that is the last detailed batch on an academy, post which we will only start crash courses. Then you can join an academy using the code AnkitGate. Also, what you can do is you can give a call on this number to know more details about the batch. Okay, that is the last batch that we are starting for GATE. Okay, now what are the features? What are the products that are included with an academy subscription? Live classes, doubt session, test series, previous year question, daily practice paper, practice questions, and weekly quizzes. Up also later on we will add crash courses as well, and I will be starting machines in rank improvement batch from next Monday. Today we have started a new detailed batch, and the core subjects will be started in RIB for practice from next Monday. So these are the updates that I wanted to give you. And my friend, if you want to take an academy subscription, simply you can go on Gate and ESE, click on Get Subscription. Click on Get Subscription and then choose this plan if you are a dropper or a final year. And if you are a second or third year student, this will be the best plan, 2-year plan. But make sure that you use the code AnkitGate. Okay, it will give you 10% off, as well as it will directly make me your mentor and I'll guide you at each and every step regarding your preparation. You can pay by credit, debit card, EMI, net banking. Also, you can pay by HDFC debit card EMI or Bajaj FinServe debit card EMI. So now, my friend, let me show you the problems that are based on Fourier series. Problems that are based on Fourier series. And as I told, today we have started a brand new batch at an academy. So if you are still deciding about whether to prepare or not, take the decision today itself and join the last batch. Okay. So guys, are you ready for problems? Are you ready? We will create a polling in each and every question. Is everybody ready? Okay, great. Great, guys. So here we have the first question. The first question. Come on, everybody. I am giving you 1 minute 15 seconds. Come on, guys. A very easy question to start with. This question is basically the foundation stone of Fourier series. The foundation stone of Fourier series. Come on, guys. All of you can do it. Sagar, I'll see. Or what I'll do is later on in September or something, September or October, I'll take a class on the new topics that have been added. Okay, because directly showing you the questions on DTFS won't be good. Many of you will not be able to solve it because you haven't yet learned it. Okay, that is why. Okay. Mohammad Shakir, delta an plus b is simply delta n plus b by a. There is no scaling property in discrete. Okay. Now, first of all, there must be j and omega naught t. So, this you can directly remember as well. Complex exponential. Hi, Nishant. Of different frequency are orthogonal. Okay, let me show you how it is. For complex exponential, how do we check orthogonality? We take the conjugate of one function and another function as it is. You can take over 2 pi. Now, complex exponential is cos plus j sine. Cos plus j sine. Integration of cos and sine in one period is 0. So, the answer will be A. Is that clear? The answer will be A. Now, moving to the next problem. Try this, guys. Try this. Let me see how many people can solve this. I'm starting from very easy question. Kushal, don't worry about MSQ. We will plan something. We will plan something. Don't worry. Why do you guys worry when I am there for you guys? People are saying 0, -1, 0, 1. Sonu, watch my YouTube channel, Creatrix. There I tell strategy about how to prepare for gate. Check there. Okay. Now, what we will do in this question, PSK, I'll take networks for gate 2022, but not for 21. EDC, I don't know EDC. Actually, I don't teach it. EDC is taught by Kamesh sir. I have never taught EDC. Now, what is omega naught here, my friend? It is 1. So, what you can say half n omega naught t, half n omega naught t. So this is meaning that n is 1, this is n equal to -1. Now that means that c of -1 equal to c of 1 equal to half. Now there are only two terms, my friend. -1 and 1. So it will be -1. It will be -1. Okay. A very easy question for everybody. We are building up the tempo. Try this. Try this. Similar question. Everybody can solve this. Quickly, guys. Same. Yes, the answer will be same. Simply if I write here omega naught is to n omega naught t n omega naught t. That is, this is at n equal to 1, n equal to minus 1. That is, we can say C1 equal to C minus 1 equal to half. So sigma n equal to minus infinity to infinity. Again, we will only have two terms. This will be minus 1. This will be minus 1. Try the next one. Try the next one, guys. Come on, everybody. Think of it as the timer is running. Come on. I want quick answers. Arun is saying J. What about others? 3. PSK negative frequency are hypothetical because we have to introduce negative frequency in order to make the signal real in time domain. If you only take positive frequency, the signal will become complex. Okay, so they are just there to make the signal real in the time domain. They do not have any physical significance. Okay, let us check. One by two. Okay, here my friend, omega naught is 6 actually. Omega naught is 6. That is, this is C1, C minus 1. So what I can say is, this much I can tell. Okay, now sigma n equal to minus infinity to infinity minus 1 to the power n Cn. So that means at 1, it will be this. So what it will come? It will come out to be 0. It will come out to be 0. That means A by B. So A is 0, B may be 1. Okay. Basically, you can't tell about this, right? B can be anything. Infinite number of solution. Correct? A plus B can have infinite number of solution. Okay. Let's try the next one. Let's try the next one. A similar kind of question. Don't worry, Anand. Never ever doubt yourself or your preparation. Try this one. Priyansh, in the latest batch that I have started, I will take power electronics. ठीक है, जो बैच आज से चालू हुआ है ना, उसमें मैं पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लूंगा. जीरो आ रहा है. चलो देख लेते हैं भाई. सागर, डिस्क्रीट में स्केलिंग से फैक्टर कोई बाहर नहीं आएगा ना किसी भी सिग्नल में. Now omega naught we can say it to be 3. Mohammed, I am telling the same thing. Just be patient. How can we solve this? Just look at the solution carefully. Okay. Are you able to understand how we will solve this? So this is C1, C minus 1, C2, C minus 2. Now, when you take this, then at 1, we will get this. We will get this. So this will come out to be 1. This is coming out 1, right? A must be 0. Or what you can say is, no. You can say like this, instead of this one, minus J. Okay. Minus J. Is that clear? Now, frequency I have taken as the HCF. HCF. That will be the fundamental frequency. Okay. Try the next one. Try the next one. PSK, please stop asking doubt. You are just treating this session as a doubt solving session. What is it coming out? What is it coming out, guys? 0. Let us see. what you can say sine 2t cos pi by 3. Correct? If you break sine 2t, okay. Now, if you combine the terms of e to the power j2t, this will be the bracket. So this will be C1, C minus 1. So sigma the sum of both the coefficients will be root 3 by 2. What happened psi? DTFT. Yes. What is the doubt? इसमें नहीं, अलग से पढ़ा दूंगा DTFS DTFT, डोंट वरी, अलग से करवा दूंगा. चलो, ट्राई दिस वन. FFT is not in electrical. चलो, ट्राई दिस वन. Come on everybody. Cos 4t. Come on guys. Let us see how to solve this. Quickly everybody. Find the correct answer guys. TSK, if you join an academy, you can ask me on personal message via Telegram. Otherwise, technical doubts, the doubts in the question. Every fourth class is a doubt solving session. You can ask there. Okay. And if there is some problem that you are facing in preparation, you can ask me personally. Now, how will you simplify this? We have to bring it in the power of exponential cos to the power 4t. What you can do? Tell me how you will simplify this. The one method can be Okay. So 1 by 16 will come outside. A plus b to the power 4 is 4. ज्यादा इजी तरीका ये पड़ेगा कि आप इसमें बायनोमियल थ्योरम लगा लो मेरे भाई. 4c1 4c2 4c3 and 4c4. ठीक है. इससे हुआ क्या मेरे भाई कि डायरेक्टली एक्सपोनेंशियल में आ गए. यू डायरेक्टली गेट एक्सपोनेंशियल. ओके. plus 6 by 16. Now, my friend, now if you take omega naught equal to 2, then this will be your I have again taken HCF. Okay. So that is minus 1 square plus that is 1 by 8. That is 1 by 2 plus 6 by 16. 8 by 16 half, it comes out as 0. It is coming out as 0. Is everybody getting the same answer? Guys, how are you getting something different? I am getting 0. Okay, the answer would be 0. Now try the next one. Try the next one. Very simple question again. What are we getting? 0. Correct. Because here, my friend, omega naught is 2. So this will be C of 1, C of minus 1. Perfect. So C of minus 2 will be 0. Next one. Next one, guys. Try the next one. Try this, guys. So what it is saying, if xt has a Fourier series coefficient Cn, so first of all, if I say what will be the Fourier series coefficient of xt plus 1? What is the Fourier series coefficient of xt plus 1? Tell me. What will happen xt plus 1? Yes, it will be Cn. Okay, this will be the case. Now, when you do the scaling, so what happens in scaling? Fundamental frequency changes, but coefficient remains same. So that is why, my friend, Gn will be, so A is 1 and K is also 1. So A plus K is 2. How are you getting 1.25, my friends? How are you getting 1.25? Okay, omega naught will change, na? But my friend, omega naught will not change in this term. It will not change in this term. Only the frequency of the function changes, not here. What you will say is the new frequency will be omega naught by 4. It does not mean that here you will put omega naught dash. That is wrong. Okay, this is just a constant term. One minute. 40. 40 means compression. Yeah, 4 omega naught. Okay. So this is wrong. Is that clear? Is that clear? The coefficient is not affected. Try the next one. Let me start polling as well. Psi, it was written e to the power j n k omega naught. अक्षय मेरे भाई, कोएफिशिएंट में ओमेगा रिप्लेस नहीं करोगे, फंक्शन की फ्रीक्वेंसी बदल गई, कोएफिशिएंट थोड़ी ना आप जाके बदल दोगे। e टू द पावर जे एन ओमेगा नॉट को एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर मानो ना, बस। बात समझ आ रही है? e टू द पावर जे एन ओमेगा नॉट इज अ कांस्टेंट टर्म, यू डोंट चेंज ओमेगा इन दैट। क्योंकि अगर आपने इसमें भी ओमेगा बदल दिया तो फिर आपने क्या कर दिया, कोएफिशिएंट बदल दिया, फिर तो बेसिक रूल ही वॉयलेट हो गया कि कोएफिशिएंट नहीं चेंज होता है। समझ आ रहा है अक्षय? कोएफिशिएंट में कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करेंगे। तो देखो इसका आंसर आएगा सी। द आंसर विल बी सी। So what it is giving? C naught, C1, C minus 1, C2, C minus 2. I think this should not be 2J. This should be 2 minus J. Okay. Now my friend, how you will write the signal? Cn Jn omega naught t. Now when you write like this, C0 will be direct 2J. C1 C minus 1. C2 C minus 2. Now when you combine the term 1 and 1, e to the power j theta plus e to the power minus j theta, it will become twice of cos. Okay. Now minus 2j plus 2j. If I take minus 2j common, it is 2j sine omega naught t. Okay. Now, if here 2 plus 2, that is 4 cos 2 omega naught t. If I take j common, okay, minus 2j into 2j. Okay. So that means this will become complex, real plus imaginary. Okay, 2 cos होगा कहां पे? 1 plus 1 2 ही cos तो बनाया है, और इधर 2 और 2 मिला के 4 cos हो गया। ठीक है कुशल। अब देखो जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन में कंफ्यूजन है ना, ये भी मैं एक बार क्लियर करता हूं। इफ यू टेक लाइक दिस x40 plus 1, बेटर है अगर आपको ऐसे करना है ना तो आप ऐसे करो। तो आप क्या कहोगे? x ऑफ 40 का होगा Cn and omega naught equal to, correct, in the previous one, right? Sanket, Cn is equal to C minus n conjugate, but C0 is complex. If C0 was real, it would come out to be real. Okay. Un at 0 is 1. Okay. Now guys, please pay attention. What I am saying is, instead of doing shifting plus scaling, first I am doing scaling. In the last problem, omega naught dash is 4 omega naught. Now you do shifting. Correct? Akshay, are you listening? See, the same thing I am getting. Is that clear, Akshay? You can go by other method as well. That is first scaling, then shifting. Try the next one. Try the next one, guys. Try the next one. Let me start polling as well. Ayushi, after control is completed, we'll do CTQ on control as well. Don't worry. But at a time, we can only deal with one subject, right? The timer is running. Come on, everybody. What about 2M question means? 2M means? टू मार्क्स. तो क्या दिक्कत है 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन में? मैं यहां पे कहीं मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन थोड़ी दे रहा हूं कि 1 मार्क या 2 मार्क. चल, let us see. Again you will say okay. So my friend, C naught plus C1 plus C minus 1 plus Satyendra, transformer test I discussed yesterday itself. So in the Hindi batch second session to yesterday night, I already discussed that. Not in special in a plus class. Now 1 minus 1. Now minus 2j minus 2j. Now 2 minus 2 minus j minus j. So again this is complex. This could have become imaginary if this 2 was 0. This could have become imaginary. Okay. Try the next one. Try the next one, a random question from signals. Try the next one. Come on, guys. Everybody can solve this. And my friend, I am telling you again and again, we have started a new batch on Unacademy. The last batch for GATE 2021. So make sure that you join this batch, because after this, no fresh batch will be started. Okay. So if you want to learn everything live, then call on this number and join the latest batch. Satyendra is saying 2.5. Satyendra is saying 2.5. One more person 0.5. Sonali. Mohammed is saying 5 by 2, yani 2.5. Shivam 2.5. So let us see. So guys, in such type of question, what you can do is you can find out the values of xn. At n equal to 0, it will be 1. At n equal to 1, cos pi by 3 half. N equal to 2, cos 2 pi by 3 minus half. N equal to 3, cos pi minus 1. Then after that it will be 0. That means 4 samples are there. So energy is summation mod xn square 2.5. Okay, so the energy will be 2.5. Try the next one. Come on, everybody. I'm starting the polling. Try the next one. Sumit, yes, they can attend this class also if they feel the need. That is totally up to you guys. If you feel that you have completed the subject, you need more practice, you can attend that. But make sure that your self practice is not getting hampered. NK, I'm not asking you to comment on the question. Just find the answer and fill in the polling. Okay. So now guys, the direct method to this will be here, as you can see, this xt is an even function. Dxt by dt will be odd and d square xt by dt square will again be even. Okay, by taking the derivative, the nature of the function changes from even to odd or from odd to even. This is the first method. The second one could be drawing the graph. Okay. The third one can be by the Fourier series coefficient. Basically, Fourier series can't come here. The third one can be using Fourier transform. Okay. Niteshwar, yes, 10th August batch has started today morning only. So today itself you can take the admission. Just call on this number. No, it will be delta function, Shakir. It will not be derivative of delta. Triangle derivative square, square derivative impulse. So it will be impulse function. Double derivative का ग्राफ लो, देखो. What is the slope here? The slope here is 1 and the slope here is -1. Correct? 1 and -1. Correct? So Akshay, it comes out to be odd. Divyanshi, this is a sixth class. Now, when you take the derivative, the slope here will come as delta t. The change here is -2. Okay. So Divyanshi, we have completed the LTI system part. We have completed the signals part, and now we are doing Fourier series. Okay. You can watch those classes as recorded. See, impulse, -2 impulse, then impulse. Now, as you can see, this graph is simply even. Correct? This graph is even. Okay, Akshay? Okay. Try the next one. These are the options. You have to find out the Fourier series coefficient of this. Sumit, English batch evening slot will be occupied by control system. We are looking to start it from 15th. Okay. See the options. Options are this, guys. And from 17th, EMT will also start in the English batch. Okay. Divyanshi, right now at 2:15, Vishal sir is taking classes of Fourier transform. सिग्नल पंकज सर कहां पे लेंगे बताओ? यूट्यूब पे ना? यूट्यूब पे पंकज सर ने सिग्नल स्टार्ट किया आज. दिव्यांशी 2:15 इस क्लास के 15 मिनट बाद. Now, the fundamental component of the expansion. Okay. Now, if it is asking the fundamental component, and that too it is asking in terms of sinusoidal, correct? This should be sine. Okay, that means what we need is a sinusoidal or trigonometric Fourier series, correct? Trigonometric Fourier series. There are two methods. Either you can approach by means of exponential, then find trigonometric, or you can directly go for trigonometric. Now let me show you the easiest method. Let me show you the easiest method. अरे देखो रे, सिंपल मेथड बता रहा हूं. हाँ, पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अटेंड किया है यूट्यूब वाला? क्यों भाई शाकिर? बहुत बढ़िया. देखो एक ऐसा फंक्शन ले लो लाइक दिस. करेक्ट. इसको मैंने बोल दिया GT. Now the Fourier series of GT for a perfect square wave is very simple. Correct? Now, this function is actually t by 4 shifted to the left. Xt is gt plus t by 4. Okay. That means the series of xt will be, due to half wave symmetry, I am just writing the odd harmonics. Omega naught is 2 pi by capital T, 2 pi by capital T, हाँ सॉरी 4 होगा, 4 होगा, सही बात. Now 2 pi by capital T, so what is fundamental? Fundamental is this. Sudhir, for triangular, what you can do is, I think none of the option will match, right? Sine 90 plus theta, or you can make it cos theta. This can also be made into cos theta. So I think none of these will match. For triangular, Sudhir, what you can do, you can take the derivative, then use the series of square. Try the next one. Try the next one. This is a very easy question. I'll only give 30 seconds. I'll only give 30 seconds for this. अंश आया तो cos ही है मेरे भाई, और इवन फंक्शन है तो cos ही तो आया. देखो रिजल्टेंट में sin 90 प्लस थीटा आया था. Okay, the answer will be A. Very simple. It is half wave symmetric. Okay, that means only odd harmonics exist. Okay, guys. Now I am giving you I am giving you this problem as homework. So when you download the notes, you will see this problem which you can solve. Okay. And tomorrow also, Fourier series will continue. Okay. It is written on the next part. Now find general expression of xt. And guys, if you want to join the latest batch that we have started today, don't forget to call on this number. Okay. Chal. Tomorrow we'll meet at the same time. We'll see more problems of Fourier series.